Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a hard reset of Samsung Galaxy M15. If you are using Samsung Galaxy M15 and now you want to make a hard reset to your device, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you have to make sure that you have backup of your data because it will remove everything from your phone. It might be photos, videos, apps, accounts and much more. You just have to make a backup and then just connect your device to any PC or any Samsung device with charging cable on any wire, and after that you can make a setup. You just have to press and hold the volume down and power button at the same time and wait for your screen goes fully black, and then shift your volume down to volume up and wait for Samsung logo. Let's try this. Just press and hold volume down and the power button at the same time and wait for your screen goes fully black. It will take a while, so you just have to wait for it. And now shift your volume down to volume up and wait for Samsung logo. Just like this. Now release all buttons and here it will goes you through Samsung's BIOS setup, and here you just have to make a setup. First you have to keep in mind that your touch won't work here. You just need to use these three buttons to make the setup. Here's volume down to go down, volume up to move up, and here's power button for selection. You just need to go look for wipe data and factory reset. Just go for it, then press your power button, and here just go for factory data reset, then press power button and then press power button again on reboot system. Now just like this, it will make a hard reset to your device, and now after that you can easily use a fresh new startup of your device. So that's how you can easily make a hard reset of Samsung Galaxy M15. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.